Okay. Yes. Okay. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Welcome back to my channel and welcome back to this playlist here. The playlist about how to use API and a lot of tutorials. And these videos, uh, I will to talk about resources API and how to use and uh, why we must use resources API. Okay, if you don't know what is resources API, you can go to the official website about Laravel. Yeah, you search in your browsers, laravel.com, and go to the documents. After this, you search in Eloquent URM, so API resources. Thanks. This is Eloquent API resources. API resources, you may need to transformation layer that sit between your Eloquent models and the JSON response that are actually returned to you application user. Yeah, you can read about resources and this, but I can say if we use resources, um, so more easier manipulation data that we want and send it to the front end team. Yeah. Different if we use the method the usual, we will take all data without can organize and control. And if we use the resource, we can only send data to the backend. Can add a key that not in the table. Similarly, you can resize data from the backend, but later we use send it's a different again. So for example, if we receive a title name in data E, B, and C, we can only send to the front end only the name or title in a part like that. Okay. Uh, I will show you how to build and use the resources file. Okay. The first you must have resources file and uh, this is a tutorial for get a resources file. Yeah. You can copy this PHP artisan Mac resources and the user resources, and this is a name of resources. And you can copy this part. After this, you um go to the your VS Code and open terminal, and you can write this PHP artisan Mac resources and add your name file resources. This is one I choose a pause resources. After this, I click enter. Okay, before we started talk about resources, in the controller pause, I change this one. In the first, we just get data pause, but usually uh, we get data and we take and in the K. Yeah, this is K, data, this is K. And if we add the data in the K, um, this is as basic syntax. And if you click and send, you can get this one. Yeah, this is a key data, and in data array, you get two data form uh, database. Okay, this is return code if you don't use resources. If you okay, if you use the resources, you must change this code. Okay. The first we want to open the file of resources. Okay. Okay. By default, this code after you create resources file, yeah, you can return all the data in the uh, database, and you must change in the controller. Okay, I comment it, and you must change other with it. Return post resource. This is a class post resource, and you must to import class and the collection of posts. Okay, and if you change this one, and you send, we don't get the change it because we get all data in the database, and the value of the resources you can manipulation uh, data. For example, if you want to get just ID and the title, and you don't need uh, news content, you only get a title and ID. Yeah, you can do it with resources. If you don't use resources, you cannot do it. Okay. And after you change the code in the controller, you can open the resources file, and this is a return default from Laravel. Yeah, you return all data. Okay. And if you don't if you want to manipulation, you can do it. Okay. Oh, the example, if we just need ID and the title, we can create this return. I'm comment, just a comment. Return um, and create the array. Okay, and we need a ID and the title. Title. Okay, and this time I get from migration as the name of column in the table post. Okay, and after this we can descend, and now we get a data ID, just ID and the title. Um, Okay, this is false, and true is what? This ID. Um. Okay. Okay. This ID and title and the name is you can create anonym name, but usually we use name from columns table. Yeah, title and you send. Yeah, you get ID and just ID and the title. And you can add new key. Uh, for example, um, Uhui, and this one is strange. Uh, New key. And if you send, yeah, you get a new key from resources. If you don't use resources, you cannot do it. Okay. Um, this is the time to show your skill. And the value of resources, you can manipulate the data. Uh, you can choose any data you need to post or you to get from a database. Okay, for example, uh, I want to get data from database and post sesuai with the kebutuhan frontend. Okay, this is code. Yeah, I'm return ID, title, and news content, and the create app. Yeah. When created this blog, and I have to why to show the create app data. The first classic way is created data is created at. If you use this one, you can see in what the years, months, and I don't know what is the number. What is the number? And if you want to formatting data created, you can do it. The first, uh, uh, okay, I comment it and I can comment it. Okay, the created ad and a data format. Yeah, this is attribute for if you need to formatting data. And this created ad, I get data from created ad, and this is format. Yeah, the years, month, and daily. Hours. Uh, Second is a minute. Okay. This is the format, and if you use this format and you send, look, different. Years, month, and day. And if you delete this, we just use the month and the day. I think I will use it. Okay, and this is okay, and you can see I'm just get ID, title, name, content, and the created app. In the by default, if you don't use resources, you just add ID, title, and news content. You cannot get data created app. And if you need to use a created ad, you must use resources. Okay, this is the best part of the resources because you can get um, and you can control any data you need it and you get it and you post it. Yeah. Usually in the real case, if you get all data and you just um, I have a case. If we have in the table post ID, title, news content, and created ad, and the front end just need a title and news content. Yeah, you can to post just title and news content. Yeah, this is special of the part resources. Resources. Okay. Um. Okay. I think this all for me for these videos. Yeah. Uh. These videos just show you how to use resources file and why we must use the resources file. Okay, and in the in the uh, why videos, I show you if the basic syntax if you the post data to a front end, you must add this data in the key. Yeah, and the value of the post resources, uh, you can add the new key and the new data in the file post resource. Uh, Walaupun you don't have this data or this key in your table. Yeah, you can use it if you use resources file. Okay. Uh, I think this enough. Um, and I hope you enjoy to following this learn, and I hope you get a new information. Uh, I say thank you and see you in the next videos. Um, okay, thank you for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe and share. And I say Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.